Today in this video we will going to make 6 types of ribbon flowers easily at home in just few minutes. Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty sewing channel. Without delay, let's get started. Flower 1. To make this flower, here I am taken 1 inch satin ribbon. To secure the raw edges, give a heat touch up. Now place the tape on the ribbon as shown here and give a markings. Give a 3.5 cm mark. After that give 0.2 cm mark. Again 3.5 cm mark followed by 0.2 cm as shown here. We are going to make 4 petal flower. That we need 4 partitions as shown here. Now take the needle along with thread. Give running stitch as shown in the video. In our channel we are done with many type of flowers. If you are interested, please visit the videos in our channel. Cut the extra ribbon. Give heat touch up. Now gently pull the thread from the both end of the ribbon and give secure knot to make the flower. Please like the video. If you like the video, then that likes will be the best compliments to do more beautiful videos. So that don't forget to like the video. Now beautiful flower is ready. Can use this flower for the brooch works, baby frocks, hair clips, hair accessories, etc. Now flower number 2. To make this flower, here I am taken 3.5 cm ribbon. Now take the square part of the ribbon. Now give a curved trim as shown here. Now give a heat touch up. Now take the needle along with thread and give running stitch as shown in the video. Now gently pull the thread from the both end and give secure knot. This is one of the best flower to make the tassels. Not only for the tassels, you can use this flower for earrings, handmade jewelries, etc. If you are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe for not missing future updates in our channel. Now flower number 3. To make this craft, here I am taken 3.5 cm width ribbon. Take the square part from that ribbon. Now convert that square part as a circle as shown here. Now give a heat touch up as shown in the video. Here I am taken 3 circle pieces as shown here. As per your choice, you can select the colors. For better results, use good quality ribbon. Now with the help of sewing, attach the center beads. Here along with the beads, you can also use rhinestones and other ornamental stones. This craft is best suited for baby frocks and hair accessories. Not only for the baby frocks, you can also use it for western frocks. Now flower number 4. To make this flower, here I am taken 1 cm width ribbon. Take 3 cm length pieces. If you want, you can reduce the length. Here I am taken 5 numbers. Now give a heat touch up to the each piece as shown in the video to make the petal. Now take the needle along with thread and join all the petals and give secure knot. Now beautiful flower is ready. Now flower number 5. To make this flower, here I am taken 3.5 cm width ribbon and with a length of 5 cm. This flower consists of 7 petals, so that here I am taken 7 ribbon pieces. Now take one ribbon piece and give a fold. Trim at the corner as shown in the video. Open the fold and give heat touch up along with twisting as shown in the video. Now at the other end, give a fold. Secure that fold by giving heat touch up. Now one petal is ready. The same procedure for other petals like this. Join all the petals and give secure knot. Now beautiful flower is ready. Now flower number 6. To make this flower, here I am taken 1 inch width satin ribbon. Take the 7 ribbon pieces, each one having the length 5.5 centimeters. Now take the needle along with thread. Now take the one ribbon piece and fold it into half and give running stitch as shown here. Parallelly join all the ribbon pieces. After stitching, trim the extra part of the ribbon as shown here. Give heat touch up to prevent the raw edges. Now pull the thread from the both end of the ribbon, form the gatherings and give secure knot as shown here. At the center of the flower, place any ornamental stone. This is one of the trending flower which is frequently used in brooch works. If you like our video, please like it. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe our channel to get the more beautiful updates. And please share this video those who are interested in the craft work. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.